Microsoft Word also features research tools to look up information, such as online articles, synonyms, translations, and more. Let's look at how useful the thesaurus, translator, researcher, and search tools can be to your document edits. You'll also access the Research Options dialog box to customize it to your own requirements. You can open Word's thesaurus from the thesaurus command on the Review tab or with the shortcut key press of Shift and function key 7. A thesaurus is a resource that displays lists of alternative words. It's most often used to locate synonyms, which are words that have the same or similar meanings. It also suggests antonyms, words with the opposite meanings. You can insert any word from the thesaurus suggestions to replace the word in your document. Word's ability with language extends even to translation. To translate a word or selected text, click Review, Translate. Then you can choose to translate a selected word or phrase, or with Translate Document, convert the whole document into another language. In Translate Preferences, you can set the document translation languages and specify other translation options. To translate our selected text, click Translate Document. In the Translate pane, you can set the Translate to language. The Translate from language is automatically detected, in this case as English. In the Research group of the References tab, there is a search command. You might think this is just for locating content in your document. No, it has a much wider use, offering a variety of information about a selected word or phrase. The tiles in the search pane show an assortment of items related to save time, our selected phrase. Researcher is a feature that seems the same as search, but it provides some more advanced features. To start Researcher, click References Researcher. In the Researcher pane, you simply enter your search term and press Enter to get the results. Scroll through the returned results or use the headings to filter what is displayed. If you find the research tool a useful addition to the way you work, you might like to optimize it for your own particular requirements. Under File Options, click the Trust Center category and click the Trust Center Settings button. In the Privacy Options category, select the Research Options button. In the Research Options dialog box, you can customize available research services, add new services, and enable parental control filters. There may be specialist services that are important for your industry or area of study. In Add Services, you can include those sources. To add research services, click Add Services. Then select or type the internet address for the service you want in the address box. And finally, click Add. The service is automatically enabled for searching, and the next time you open the Research task pane, matching items from your added service will be included in the results. To quickly use the thesaurus, right-click a word and choose Synonyms. If you want to replace the current word with a word in the list, just click it. Clicking the Thesaurus command at the end of the list will open the Thesaurus pane on the right of your document, as will the Thesaurus command on the Review tab. The list of words in the pane may display both synonyms and antonyms. Right-click a word to add it to the document. With the Thesaurus pane, you can work independently of the words in your document. At the top of the task pane, you can enter a search term and press Enter to perform a search. The results of your search will be displayed in the main area of the task pane. You can click a word to search for it or right-click it for options. At the bottom of the task pane, you can choose the language you want to use. Like any other task pane, the Thesaurus task pane can be resized or moved. When you have finished working with the pane, click the X to close it. If you like using the keyboard, use the shortcut key press of Shift plus F7 to launch the thesaurus. To translate a word or selected text, click Review, Translate. Translate has three options. Translate Selection will open the Translator task pane, where you can translate a selected word or phrase. Translate Document will convert the whole document using machine translation. In Translate Preferences, you can set document translation language and specify translation options. Translate Selection opens the Translator task pane with your selected text present. Now you need to select the language to translate the text into. Let's choose French. The To tile of the pane displays the French translation. Insert replaces your selection in the document with the translated version. In the Research group of the Reference tab, the Search command offers you all kinds of information about a selected word or phrase. To begin, select the text you want to look up. Then click Search command on the References tab or use the right-click menu. The search pane opens. The first tile will normally be a definition of your selected item. Scroll down the pane to see more information or click the More drop-down to filter what's displayed. Choose All to display all tiles. The top box allows you to search for any word or phrase you care to type in. The Researcher feature is similar to Search but provides more advanced features. To start, click References, Researcher. The Researcher task pane will open. Enter your search term and press Enter. Scroll through the items in the pane or use the headings to filter. Insert any item into your document using the plus sign. When adding to your document, you may need to respond to a Creating Bibliography message. When using this feature, it is best practice to always add a citation to ensure correct attribution of quoted works. The topic reference has been added to your document, and there is also a bibliography with its source. To return to your search term, click the back arrow. If you need to further research your topic, why not check out the related search items listed here as what people have also searched for. This autofills the search box and refreshes the search results. The research tool is a powerful study or exploration device. To optimize it for your needs, use File Options to open the Word Options dialog box. Then click the Trust Center category and click the Trust Center Settings button. The Trust Center dialog box opens. Then click the Privacy Options category and click the Research Options button. The Research Options dialog box opens. Using this dialog box, you can customize available research services, add new services, and enable parental control filters. Now you know how to use Thesaurus, Search, and Research to enhance your creativity and documentation skills. In this lesson, you learned about some of the tools to use when proofing documents. They include spell check, the thesaurus, the translator, and word count. You also learned about the Researcher, Search, and the Research Options dialog box, a collection of tools enabling you to do extensive research while staying right inside the documents you are working on.